Hello and welcome to task 15, answer for task 15. This is the last task for the week. I hope you are all passionate and continuing completing this task consistently. In this section, or in this session, I asked you to find two reasons to justify your systematic literature review paper. And like I discussed in the answer for task 14, the structure is quite similar. You have some text that talks about the little bit of the background, or that kind of generates or creates the story to then that goes nicely into the justification part. So you can see here the background is there, followed by justification, and then we have the contribution. So the structure is the same. So let's look at what I have written in the justification first. Okay, so this is the justification part. It is essential to study these challenges to it has to be EHR, electronic health records interoperability, with a systematic literature review to analyze the maturity of the current solutions. So to understand the maturity of the current solutions, we need to undertake a systematic literature review, which is the reason or the justification. The study also aims to evaluate blockchain technology to realize of the interoperable solutions in EHR management. So the other aspect which not other systematic literature review papers have done is to understand how electronic health records or any particular topic is investigated. In this case, it is interoperability of electronic health records. So that is the justification, two reasons for conducting this SLR paper or doing this SLR paper. And prior to that, I've shown you three sentences here, but there are quite a few other sentences that kind of build up that story to bring you to the justification part. So you can read that, take a screenshot if you want of this write-up, and then use it for your own when you're writing your own section. And then finally, it then follows into the contribution part of the SLR, or what is the contribution that you're making through this SLR. All right, so that concludes the task 15. And this also finishes another subsection of your systematic literature review paper. So I guess you should be quite happy because you're progressing quite well. And I'm also kind of enjoying creating these tasks, videos, and also making the answers to these videos. So I hope you take advantage of this and prepare your systematic literature review paper, and in no time you will realize that you have progressed so much that your paper is taking good shape, and it will be very soon ready for publication in a top tier journal. All right, so keep up the good work. I have a lot of trust and faith in you for working with me and helping yourself. All right, so take care and enjoy the weekend. There are no tasks to be done over the weekend. So I hope you have a good weekend. And like I always say, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, share the video, and don't forget to like. All right, thanks a lot and have a nice weekend. Bye.